Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial video, and today I will be showing you guys how you guys can create an account on Threads. As you guys can see, this is my Thread account, so I will show you how you guys can create it as well. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe button. Let's move on. So first thing first, in order to create Threads account, you need to have Instagram account, because once you create an Instagram account, you link it with Thread, then you start using it. So unless you have an Instagram account, you cannot create a Threads account. So I already have an Instagram account and I'm also logged in into my Instagram account. So it's currently showing me that profile over here. This is my Instagram profile. That's why it's being shown over here. So in order to create an account in Threads, once you open Thread and you have Instagram on your phone and you have logged in into your Instagram account, your Instagram name should be shown over here. You can just click on it and it'll automatically create a Threads account. It's that simple. You can click on import from Instagram and every single information is going to be imported from your Instagram. Just click on next. Choose if you want a public or a private profile. Let's say I want private. I can click on next. I can click on next at the top again. Click on join Threads, and basically my Threads account has been created. That's how simple it is to create Threads account. So hope you understand. If you guys did, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step for future videos like this. And as I said, you need to have an Instagram account. Without Instagram account, you cannot use Thread. Threads is created by Meta, and Meta owns both Instagram and Thread. That's why these cross-platform accounting work. Make sure you have an Instagram account and you follow the step which I showed you, and you should be able to do what I just did. So hit that subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.